Hey, Miguel, thanks for all the good info as always. Can you run us through how to buy Equalizer?
Sure. So I would recommend you guys buy your Phantom through Kraken. That exchange needs to get a little bit. This is my only little gripe with it. I think it needs to be get turned into a little bit more user friendly, just a tiny bit more. I think the way they it takes a little bit longer to actually sign up to. It does. But besides that, actually, it's an incredible exchange. I really, really, really like Kraken. Right, Kraken's good. And they're really good on the coins they sell, because there's a lot of exchanges. I'm not going to name one, Gemini, but I'm not, but they sell you a lot of coins that are the RC20 token version instead of the actual native token version, which is the one you fucking want. But because Kraken has this big track record and they've held it's been the first exchange to have Kraken was the one that I helped ICO and stuff and actually launched it was one of the first big major exchanges to have Ethereum where you could buy it. They made a lot of money and they're the real DeFi pioneers and stuff in that sense. So when they sell something, it's usually the correct version of that token supply, and that's what I've been talking about. So I would recommend, if you're going to do this, right, if you're trying to get into Equalizer, you buy your Phantom on Kraken. Then from there, get it onto your MetaMask or your Rabby wallet. I mean, Rabby wallet recently got caught. They hid a secret fee in their swap. I think it was 0.25% fee that they didn't disclose to everybody, and they hid it in the UI. I mean, it's not that bad, but why not disclose it? That's fucking crazy. So they're just trying to be all sneaky about it. Anyway. Then once you move it to your wallet, then from there, you then go to the Equalizer exchange, which is, Miguel, how do I find it? Share my screen. Whoa, CoinGecko. Whoa, what's this? Boom, boom. You put the EQ. Whoa, Equalizer exchange. Website. And then once you go onto here, right? Let me see. I understand. Yeah, I understand. Give me 1 second. Okay. Let me reshare my screen. Damn, my hair is black as fuck, man. I love that shit. Fresh ass fade. Damn, fool. Where'd you get your haircut, fool? From this Mexican fool, who cuts all these boxers, fool. Here's the official link, fools. Damn, fool. Once you're on Equalizer, fool, when you connect your wallet, fool, and you got all your fucking Phantom, fool, then you go down here to trade and you go swap, man. And then you go Phantom to Equal. Damn, bro, best place to buy it. Sheesh.